The reasons could be anything, but these nations are champions of strict laws. Some are bounded by traditions, others are by religion, and some by laws. Whatever the reason, but these countries are very much strict regarding their policies. One should always keep in mind all these laws before entering into their boundaries. So in this video, we'll be talking about some countries with the strict laws in the world. On number 1, we have Singapore. Singapore is known for its impeccable cleanliness and low crime rate. People in Singapore give a lot of importance on discipline, and corporate punishment is widely accepted. Like eating chewing gums is strictly prohibited. Do not carry while visiting Singapore as it is banned. Spitting in public has a fine. Smoking in public will get you in serious trouble. That means if you are ever visiting Singapore, take these things very seriously, otherwise you will be land up yourself in trouble. Japan. The laws of Japan means the legal system in Japan. Japan has zero intolerance policy regarding drug crime, and there are a lot of penalties for all the drug offences. The hierarchy of authority is prevalent in almost all structure, being it household, workplace, school and offices. Respect is prevalent at every stage. That means everybody should respect the one who is higher than him. And if you are not doing all these things, then you will be liable for punishment. China. No doubt China is a booming and developed country and can take the world by storm. Although China is open to every country for trade and for business purposes, but still it is a communist country. That means no one should ever go against the government laws and regulations. It is a crime to imbibe Western culture in China. Media is always controlled and internet is heavily monitored. No one should discuss any topic which can lead to rebellion, change or reform in China. Cuba. Cuba is still a communist country. Those who speak against the government will be in trouble. Internet is monitored regularly, and if anybody who posts anything against the anti-government sentiment will likely face jail time. Cubans are allowed to party but with limited restrictions and with some limitations. So if you are entering into a Cuba boundary, then you need to follow their rules and regulation. Saudi Arabia. The country is deeply rooted in laws that stemmed from religion and tradition. In Saudi Arabia, women are not allowed to drive. Women cannot be with men other than relative. Women cannot wear tight clothes, cannot dance and cannot show inappropriate behavior. If you ever visit Saudi Arabia, maintain a low profile and behave well with women. Internet access is strictly prohibited in Saudi Arabia. So if you are visiting Saudi Arabia, keep these things in mind. Syria. The country's character is Arab, democratic and republican. Communication through mobile phones and landline phones and internet access is very much limited. The news and news channel are heavily monitored. The journalists who act against the government are tortured or worse, even end up dead. So if you are entering in Syria, just make sure that you are following all the norms and policy according to the law. Iran. In Iran, laws are based on Sharia law. Saying anything against the Iran law can get you in trouble. Men cannot have haircut of their choice. It has to be according to Islam. Women cannot go in public until they wear certain dresses that are acceptable in Islam. Music like jazz, rock is strictly prohibited. Alcohol is not at all encouraged for anyone, being it men or women. North Korea. It is known as the world's most secretive state. This country is pure communist. Here, everything is controlled by administration. The laws are terrible up to an extent that they can actually take away the basic rights of its citizens and impose some bizarre laws on them. From there are only 3 channels which you can actually watch. To all the citizens should have government approved hairstyle. To rule of 3 generation punishment can scare anyone and what not. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.